Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing of this new electric bicycle, the fifth wheel Thunder 2, and let's open up to see how it's packed, go over some spec and go for the speed test and see how the bicycle actually performs. So inside the box you'll find probably the manual, electric bicycle manual, which is nicely packed. Then you'll find battery charger, and let's see how large the bicycle charger is. It's a 2 amp charger, which is not bad actually. And this box has the pedals and looks like some tools, screwdriver, hex key, and the ring bell. So first I'll remove the zip tie over here so I can unfold the bicycle. Alright. And you just need a lot of zip ties here. So once you unfold it, you can use this stand to put it on. The seat is right here. Nice, actually soft, nice seat. You would need to remove this bolt. Okay. It's like holding your headset. So you would remove all the spacers right here, but you would use this piece, the top. You would push this button over here on top, just move it all the way on top and open up. So you would unfold it, as you can see this part. Okay. So once it's open up like this, you should just drop it like this, and now you would put this all the way on top and reattach with a starter, and you would reattach it back and use this hex key to tighten up. Before you tighten up this bolt, what you want to do, you want to bring it all the way up, okay, and make sure your handlebar align so the wheel going straight, smooth, and then you can put it back carefully and retighten here, and then you would retighten on the side as well with the same hex key. There's 2 bolts, one from this side, another from another side. And I believe you need to tighten them for about 7 millimeter torque with the torque wrench if you have. I do by hand like this, and then I'll recheck the torque. And now you can bring it all the way up and close this latch. And now you just need to attach the pedals. Make sure you attach right to the right side, left side to the left side. Over here is a marking, right and left. And here's how the fifth wheel Thunder 2 will look after you assemble it. The assembly is pretty simple. You just need to attach the handlebar and the pedals. That's it. So let me show you how it will look. The seat is actually to the highest position right now, and I'm 5'11". It's pretty comfortable for me gonna be. If you're taller, maybe not as, because again, it's not bad. So I think somebody who is 6 feet tall can ride this bicycle easily as well. And let me show you how low the seat can go down. So it can go down as low as you can see. Probably somebody who is 5 feet can ride this bicycle as well. The handlebar is not adjustable height, so it's kind of fixed, and it's pretty wide handlebar. It's about 23 inches, a little bit even longer, and it's pretty comfortable. I'll show you more spec close up right now, so you can see how much love this bicycle will give you for this price. So it comes with a rear shock over here. It's 1,000 pounds, which actually not bad for this type of design. It gives you some nice suspension rear, so it's a soft tail. It comes with a BMX tires, which is great, nice traction, and it comes with very nice slim fenders, and they are like steel fenders. It comes with silver chain, as you can see, Shimano derailleur, 6-gear shifter right over here, also by Shimano, and it comes with thumb throttle with some safety feature, so I'll show you more once I'm riding. Very nice grips, adjustable on both sides. You can also attach if you need a mirror on the side over here. Very easy to remove it. So unbranded mechanical brakes, 160 millimeters, and very large front cranks. I think it's like 52 or 56 teeth most likely. It's foldable. I'll show you how easy to fold it. Basically, you fold the pedals as well. You push this button, pull it open up. With your knees you can pull it this way. Okay. And over here is a guard, so it will not damage the crank. And then you just drop the handlebar as well, like this, and seat post, you can drop it, and that's it. It's very easy to carry, should be very portable, and should fit mini trunk as well. And the battery is right here. To remove the battery, you just insert the key in, turn it, and pull it, and this is the battery. It has a 360 watt hours, which is 36 watt by 10.4 amp. It looks really cool, and you can charge it over the bike. Right here is the port, or on the bike. I do it all with one hand. You just pull it in, push it, and it stays there. Very cool, very good quality. I think it's a great bicycle for city or commuter or student. A nice large headlight with some fifth wheel logo on the side, on the front as well. It comes with not as long seat post. This is a tallest position, as I mentioned before. It comes with a tail light over here, which is actual manual. Let me turn it on. Should be some button over here underneath, right here, and it's pretty simple operation. Turn it on, turn it off, and it's battery inside. The seat is very comfortable, soft. Handlebar 23 inches. It comes with a manual bell and display right here. Very clear to see on the sun as well. It comes with 3 different speeds. So you press the top button, will go higher speed up to 3 speed, and then M will go down up to 0. It will be no assist at all. To turn the light on, you press power button twice quickly, and you'll see the sign over here. The light is on. Let's check it out. Yep, it's on. To turn it off, you do the same thing. Press twice very quickly, and it will turn it off. By pressing M quickly, it will change from trip to odometer, or if you do it one more time, it will change from odometer to trip. So it's very simple. Reflector light right over here for safety. Pedals are foldable, easy to push it with one hand. You will fold it like this, or you can unfold it. Very simple. Alright, so now we're gonna go for the speed test and to see how the bike braking and the suspension feels. The ride so far is very smooth on this bicycle. The soft tail works pretty nicely, but I want to talk to you about the way it works actually. It's a bit different than many other bicycles I tried, versus it comes with throttle, but the throttle will be activated only when you start to ride it. So if you're trying to use the throttle once you just standing by, the throttle will not work for safety features. All right, so now we're gonna go for speed test. All right, so we're gonna do the throttle only test, and the throttle can go up to 20 miles only. And first we need to move the bicycle and then the use throttle. So let's go see how fast. So I'll go with GPS only. So far it's 30 miles an hour, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and display showed 20. On GPS also showed me 20, and yeah, looks like it's going on display 20, GPS 19, and most likely it's a 20 because GPS always few miles behind. And it's pretty good. You don't really feel the speed much because the bicycle 20-inch, very convenient. All right, so I'm gonna brake here. The brake's actually not bad at all. And now I'm gonna try to do with pedal assist. Pedal assist might go faster, but we're gonna check it out. And I'll switch over here to pedal assist level 3 right away and go. We need to pedal it. So go with GPS speed, 10 miles an hour, 11, 14, and we can drop to this gear number 6. So it's already 19, 20, 21. So 21, you probably can go even faster if you want to, but without gas pedaling you're gonna get like 21 miles an hour, and you can pedal it pretty comfortably. You have 6 gears, so if you're going uphill it's very easy to switch. Just pushing and it will switch. The display is very bright, you can see everything clearly. So the size of the display is not large, but you can see everything what you need to see. Mileage, the distance traveled, the speed, the battery. And over here the surface is not very flat, and I can feel the rear suspension works. Let me jump here. So I'll try to test the brakes right now to see how the braking works. So I'll go like about maybe 20 miles, let's see, and then I'll brake. So now it's about 20 miles, and then I'll brake. Okay, actually it's about 2 meters, which is not bad for 20 miles an hour. The rear wheel actually was locked in, and let's go further. And I'm gonna turn off the power assist at all to see how you can pedal it just as regular bicycles. Right now the motor is off completely, and I'm only pedaling as a regular bicycle on gear number 6. I'm gonna switch to gear number 4, and it's about 10 miles an hour, which is like pretty good speed for cruising on the beach or just riding 10 miles an hour, just any regular bicycle. Actually I got 12 miles an hour. So yeah, the pedaling actually really nice, even with no power. So if you're looking for bicycle to be able to work out as well and just riding as regular bicycle, you can do with this bicycle as well. It's very light, it's like under about 48 pounds with the battery. If you remove the battery, it will be about 42 pounds. Now I turn on the pedal assist number 1. I can feel it kick in about 12 miles an hour, which is good. And the ride is very smooth. The motor is not as loud because it's only 350 watt power. so it's very nice. You can feel the torque, and I'm 215 pounds, kind of heavy because this bicycle designed up to 220 pounds only. That's what it says on the website. So I'm actually up to the limit with the weight capacity, 215 pounds, and it's just performed pretty good up to top speed what they promise. And if you like this bicycle, I'm gonna have special discount for my channel. Follow, I believe it's like $300 off, so it should be a really nice deal. And this bicycle very competitive, most likely will be with Lectric XP Lite, because same type of size bicycle but with a lot of features. You got 6-gear shifter, you got same size of battery, nice tires, fenders, and actually it's cheaper bike with my discount gonna be. And thumb throttle as well. Go like throttle only, really nice. As you can see, I'm using only throttle. Very nice. Accelerate very nicely. So it's a great deal for this kind of, it's not a mini, but it's a nice size actually. For me, like 5'11", it's a great size. And I think it's good for somebody who is going for camping. It's easy to park, and they can handle most likely off-road as well, because the size of the tires, 20-inch, should be great. And thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.